Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide Green Horde mini. This week it is Jeanne. She was primed in Viejo Grey and I started off with Crusted Saw for the cloak. This took about 3 coats to eventually get full coverage, but I do them in between other colours so it works out about the same amount of time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. Also, I stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays at 8 PM UK time, where you can come and hang out while playing some games. Next up is Bloody Red for the padded armour. For the dark silver part of her armour, I use gunmetal. This is not my darkest silver, but after dark wash goes on, this will darken right down to where it needs to be. The only part of exposed skin is her face. For this I used elven flesh. In the artwork, her hair looks almost the same colour as the armour, but I felt that was a bit weird, so I do it using Mars Red for this. Next I moved on to the gold details, and for her sword I used glorious gold for these parts. Onto the washes, I started with dark tone for all of the armour, her sword, and very lightly on her face. The main wash is red tone for everything else. I do also go over the sword and face again just to blend them and mix that a little bit. To finish up on the base, I used black. And that will be it for Jeanne. With her now finished, that leaves one more mini to do as part of Green Horde, and then that box is complete. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord where you can also share anything you have been hobbying on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping getting better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.